So today I've done some cabinetry in the kitchen. Got my 2 little drawers and a cupboard up there. It's a bit of storage up there. I've run the drain hose, which you would have seen in the video, and that just goes out onto the ground at the moment. I've also run this hose the whole way under the car, or under the van, for fresh water, which I'm just waiting on one little piece to connect this and the tap. So it's a sort of barb to threaded attachment, and that will connect these 2 hoses together, which will mean then the tap is ready to go. We can use it. And then round the back, this is where I've hooked in to the pump. And so it runs out of the pump, down, and then under the van, and sort of out there, and then all the way to the front of the van and up next to the sink. And I'll just show you the back side of the kitchen as well. So that's the drawers and cupboard area that I've built today. And the tap I actually put in another day off camera. And it's a pull-out tap with a adjustable head. So you can flick it to a rain head or a regular sink head. And you let it go and it pulls it back down. I've left just enough space behind for this to pull the hose back down, so there's plenty of space for that still. And I'll just pull this out behind here. That's my inlet hose, and the drain hose is the black one, and you can see they both run through the step. The drain hose just spills out onto the floor, and the inlet hose runs all the way to the back of the van to the pump. And I guess eventually I'll plan to have a tank for grey water manufactured, which will fit into this step, and I'll move all this stuff in here, and that will then mean that we don't have to dump the water onto the ground. Appreciate if you stuck around to the end of the video. If you did like the video, subscribe as well, you'll see more, and take it easy.